Welcome! Today, we're diving into how to change your browser notification settings on Google Chrome. Notifications can be helpful, but they can also become overwhelming. Let's take control of them together. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Privacy and Security section on the left-hand side. Click on it to expand more options. Here, you will find Site Settings. Click on that as well. In the Site Settings section, scroll down until you see Notifications. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Notifications to access your notification settings. You'll now see several options regarding how notifications are handled in Chrome. If you want to stop all notifications from appearing, simply select the option that says Do not allow sites to send notifications. This will block all notification pop-ups from all websites. If you prefer a more customized approach, you can choose to allow notifications from specific sites only. To do this, find the Allowed to Send Notification section and click on the Add button. Enter the web address of the site from which you want to receive notifications and hit Add. This way, you can stay updated with important alerts without being overwhelmed by unnecessary notifications. Once you've made your changes, make sure everything is set according to your preferences. You can always return to these settings if you need to make adjustments later. That's it. You've successfully changed your notification settings in Google Chrome. Enjoy a more tailored browsing experience without distractions.